Good morning, first graders. It's Mrs. Hunwick here. I am going to read you a story and then you are going to have an assignment to complete on Seesaw. The book that I'm going to read you today is an informational book about bald eagles. I chose this book because Eagle is our school mascot. You remember seeing him in the office, the big stuffed eagle that we have at school. So I thought this would be a good animal to learn about. So remember, this is an informational book, so everything we will read in this book is true information or facts about bald eagles. Okay? Okay, here we go. National bird. Bald eagles fly high in the sky. They look mighty and free. The bald eagle is the national bird of the United States. We see a bold word here. Remember, the author puts words in bolds that are important for us to understand. So I'm going to click on national bird.
National.
And it's relating to a nation. So in the United States, the bald eagle is our national bird. Check this out. Bald eagles are not really bald. Birds with white feathers on their heads are called bald. Interesting. Bald eagle habitats. Bald eagles live all over North America. Find them flying above rivers and lakes. See their nests in nearby forests. These habitats give eagles good hunting. Habitats. There's another bold
Habitat.
word. The place or type of place where a plant or animal naturally or normally lives or grows. On the hunt. Bald eagles are birds of prey. They hunt snakes and small animals. Their sharp talons grab food. Their pointed beaks tear it into pieces. I'm going to click on the word talons. That's a new word for some of us. A talon is the claw of an animal and especially of a bird of prey. If I look at the photograph, I can see the talons on this bald eagle. Ooh, I think it has a fish in its talons. Favorite food. Bald eagles mostly feast on fish. They catch fish with their feet. Sometimes eagles steal fish from other birds. They even eat dead fish they find. Big birds. Bald eagles are huge birds. Their wings can spread 7 feet across. These long wings help them drift across the sky. Check this out. Female bald eagles are usually larger than males. Interesting. Mates for life. Bald eagles keep a mate for life. They build a big nest together. Every year they add to it. Nests can grow up to 6 feet wide. Wow, I wonder how many years these two have been working on this nest. Let's click on the word mate.
Mate.
A mate is to join or fit together, to bring or come together, or to marry. So I think that means that bald eagles find a mate and stick with that same eagle for most of their life. Check this out. The largest eagle nest weighed about as much as 2 small cars. Wow. Raising chicks. Bald eagles lay up to 3 eggs each year. The eggs hatch at 35 days. Parents raise their chicks together. The chick leaves the nest after about 3 months. can see how different the chick looks than the grown-up eagle. That must mean they grow and change a lot. Changing colors. Eagle chicks are fuzzy and gray. Soon brown feathers grow in. Their heads and tails turn white around age 5. Their beaks and feet turn yellow then too. Coming back. Many years ago, bald eagles faced danger. People hunted them. Their habitats grew dirty. They almost died out. But laws helped protect them. Now many eagles live in the wild. Here's a diagram of the different body parts that you can take a look at. And here are the bold words that we saw. This is the words to know, or another word we have used is the glossary. In this book it's called Words to Know. Okay, thank you for listening. And now you're going to go and complete the assignment on Seesaw, where I'm going to ask you to recall some key details from this book. I hope you enjoyed learning about bald eagles. Bye!